Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make iced carbonated pure peppermint tea. First thing you gotta do is you pour in the ice cubes into this mug. Now, you open this wrapper of pure peppermint tea and you put the tea bag in and you fill it with water. Now, go like this, go here, and now, last but not least, you add in club soda into this mug. And you add in a little bit of water. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated pure peppermint tea. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.